Good morning, everyone. This is John Cora from McClinton Chevrolet Mitsubishi in frigid Parkersburg, West Virginia. Today I want to show you two things here real quick. Right there, that's a 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport ES. And next to it, we have a 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport ES. I know what you're thinking. You're like, well, those look pretty much the same. Just one's white and one's black. But there's actually a big difference between the 2020 over here and the 2021, and that pertains to standard equipment for the safety features. So let's take a look here at the windshield of the 2020. You notice above the mirror there, the rear view mirror, there's nothing other than that little black strip. If you come over here to the 2021, what's that? There's a little cutout there for a camera. And the reason why that's there, this 2021 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport ES has standard forward collision mitigation. So what the camera does is it reads the road in front of you, and if it detects a pedestrian or another vehicle has stopped, it will automatically brake the wheels for you. So that's a big safety feature that was not standard on the 2020 models that now comes standard on the 2021. Also standard on the 2021 is lane keep assist. So if it detects that you're starting to wander from your lane, it will warn you. And once again, that is standard for 2021. And once again, these are base models. So the entry level Outlander Sport now comes standard with those safety features. Other standard equipment includes, on both model years, automatic climate control. Of course, you get the 18-inch rim standard as well. All right, let's take a quick look inside here. And one thing that's nice about the 21s, this was available in the 20s too, but it wasn't available in 19, is the light colored gray interior. This was not available in 19. I have the black interior. I like the light colored one a lot better. But let's also take a look around. Of course, you have your all-wheel control down here with a lockable differential, which is great for wintertime. Even though this is a CVT, it still has a sport mode. I use that on mine all the time. Of course, it has a low range also. There's your infotainment screen, your automatic climate control, Bluetooth controls there on the steering wheel for your audio, of course, cruise control. Down here's the buttons for the forward collision mitigation and a lane keep assist. If you get a chance, just come down and check one of these out. They're a great compact crossover. I've had mine for 2 years. I put almost 42,000 miles on it. No issues whatsoever. And of course, with any new Mitsubishi, you get the McClinton Million. That's a 10-year, 1 million mile powertrain warranty that covers your engine and your transmission. If you get like an Eclipse Cross, it covers the turbocharger too. So give us a call, 304-422-6501.